Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we have this V8 motor on an S550 and we're going to show you how you would check your engine oil and add engine oil if you need to on this vehicle. So to check the engine oil, we've got a dipstick right back here at the back. It's pretty long, it goes down and wraps around and goes in on that other side. But first you would pull the dipstick out, clean it off, and then you'll put it back in. Right? And then you're going to pull it back out and you're going to check where the oil is on your dipstick, and we want it to be in between here and here. Anything below that, that's not good. This is a little low, but you would add it to be in this marking. So it looks like it needs at least a quart to bring it up to the height that it needs to be. This engine takes 9 quarts with your oil filter itself, so it can take quite a bit of oil. But that's how you would check your engine oil. Now if you needed to add oil, because this is low, so you can go ahead and put the dipstick back in, and you would remove this cap right here. Turn it to the counterclockwise, and you just pour. You can either use a funnel, or depending on how good you feel with your oil pouring skills, you could just pour oil right in here. Go up in half a quart increments or a quart increments and keep checking, because you don't want to overfill your oil. It can cause other problems, especially with the catalytic converter, if you put too much oil in your vehicle. That's where you would add oil. Add the recommended type, which is full synthetic on this vehicle, Mobil 1, and that's the type of oil that's recommended. As long as it's a good full synthetic, you should be fine. But Mercedes does like Mobil 1. That's where you would add oil, and that's how you would check oil on an S550 Mercedes-Benz of a 2010. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.